Greetings, this is Stephen Lloyd with Public Radio Worldwide with a better way to Tweeter. First, let's open up our Tweeter page by signing in, where we can send out a tweeter, and from the web page of Tweeter we can read the tweets of those we follow. We'll see in among these replies to any tweets we've made, but good luck in this one-column Tweeter webpage finding that reply. A better way, let's look at Tweet Guide. In the home column on the left side, we see all of the tweets of followers, of those we follow. They've got a gray background. And by checking the boxes at the bottom of the home column, we can also view our mentions that are in green from the second column. Direct messages that come into us or that we send out, we can add to this home column. Those we send out have a blue background. Replies are indented like this. They have a gray background, but they're indented and attached right under the tweets we send out. The mentions have a green background. We can select that first box to get them in here. The direct messages in have an olive green background. We check the second box, we get them into our home column. They come from the third column. In the initial default display of TweetGlide, direct messages into you display in the third column. Any tweet that mentions you shows up in the second column, and you can see having all the direct messages in, I'm going to remove that third column, leaving it open for the fourth column that I've made favorites from many options we have. We can put in favorites or groups or special filtered messages. I'm now removing the second column. My favorite slides over there. From the top, I can select options like sponsored ads to come in. That gives us the benefit of our being able to send out free sponsored ads for every 5 tweets we send out. I'm going to remove that. And one of the great benefits of TweetGlide is that we can so easily use features like hovering over the picture allows us from the left side to reply. From the right side of the picture on the top, it allows us to click and send a direct message to the tweet user. And by going down to the lower left side of the picture, we can retweet this tweet. And by moving over to the right, we have a couple of other options. One related to the tweet, we can either make it a favorite or delete it, or options related to the user, we can view their profile. If it's an invite, we can block or follow that user, or someone we've been following, we can decide we want to unfollow them. Let's click on View Profile, and it opens up their profile at the right side of the screen, where we can view details such as their time zone, how many followers they have, and how many people they follow, and etc., etc. At the top of that column of the user profile, we can select tweets and read all of the tweets of that user. This has been just a few of the many great benefits of TweetGlide. There's a tweetie who has over 800,000 followers. Download your free version of this fabulous free software, TweetGlide, from our webpage at tgfortweetglide.prww.org. Until next time, Stephen Lloyd for Public Radio Worldwide.